Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I hope that you have had a wonderful week. Today I'm going to be unboxing 6 pairs of glasses from a company called Zeelool. They have, sent me beautiful pairs and I'm so excited to show them to you. Before we get into that, if you're new here, I want to say welcome. My name is Ranita. I usually do makeup swatches and reviews, but I've been going into lifestyle products like skincare and glasses and, candles. If you're on my Instagram, you can see. So yeah, there's so much that I'm actually doing right now. And this is one of those videos. And if you are returning, I want to say welcome back. I'm really happy to see you here and I hope that you like the video that we're going to be doing today. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to show you what the glasses look like and then I'll also show you how they look like on my face. So you'll get to see the product in detail as well as, how it would look like if you were to wear them. So yeah, I will see you there. Right, so this is Zeelool's box and I have received, glasses from them. So I'm just going to open it and I'm going to show you the pairs inside. Okay, so this is the PD ruler to basically help you measure that. They send, one of these with their orders and yeah, it's pretty simple. You just have to hold it up to your face and then measure the distance between your pupils. So I don't have to do this because I already know mine, but if you don't know yours, then this is, a helpful tool. And these are the glasses. They've sent me 6 pairs, so let's go to the first one. This is the first pair. They've wrapped it up really, really nicely in this, and it's got this sticker on it because it has my power. This is such a beautiful pair. Like, just look at this and look at that lovely detail over there on the sides. You have that star detail. So yes, it's a black pair with a golden rim. And I just really, really like this pair. I think it's so, so pretty. As you can see, this is what it's like at the back. It's got these lovely gold details over here and here on either side. So yes, this is the first pair, which I absolutely love. And this is in my power because Zeelool said that they would give me 3 pairs of glasses with my prescription. And like I said in my other video about glasses, I don't have a very strong power, but I do need reading glasses, and this was very kind of them to do that, so I'm really, really thankful for that. Probably my favorite from the bunch simply because of these gorgeous gold star accents, like right over here on the corner of each eye. So I'm just gonna show it to you. This is, can you see the stars over there? They're so, so cute. And I really like this gold feature over here as well. So yeah, and this is obviously like a bigger cat eye. I just think that the overall size is really nice and I like that gold feature at the top. So let's move on to the next pair. When I saw this pair of green glasses, I felt like I just had to have it. So I just love the color of these. First of all, like, it is such a vibrant green and green is one of my favorite colors. So I just had to have these glasses and you can see the details for yourself. It's got like a very interesting pattern going on here. You can see that it's just the same pattern all over the glasses and it's got that gold detailing over here. And yeah, I think this is one of the specs that actually do have my power as well. So I'm really, really happy to show you this pair. I think this is probably one of my favorites from Zeelool so far. And it also has this detailing that you can see over here. So it's got those gold like diamond shapes on either side of the pair, which I think is really, really pretty. Yeah, I really, really love the way that this pair looks. It's very, very comfortable, as you can see, and I just love the way this green looks on my face. It's so, so pretty. It's a really, really beautiful pair of glasses, as you can see, and it's not like too tight or anything. It's just a very, very comfortable and nice size. This is the next pair of glasses, and I think the reason I chose this was because of the color. I just love cobalt blue, and as you can see over here, it's like a cobalt blue metal, and it's just so, so pretty, and I really, really wanted to see if this would, look nice on my face, so that's why I took it. And you can see that it's got a lovely, lovely shape. It's kind of like a cat eye. I just really love cat eye glasses. And at the back, if you look at this, it's got this metal detailing going on over here. So yeah, just very, very pretty, and I really think that this is a beautiful pair all in all. Yeah, so I love the way that this pair is looking on my face right now. You can see it's got that lovely cat eye shape, and it's just really, really big over here. So I think it's really, really pretty. And of course, I love this color, like absolutely love the color. As I mentioned, and here you can see what that detail looks like. So yeah, it's a fantastic, beautiful pair of glasses, I think. And now we're gonna move on to the next pair. The next pair that I'm looking at is this red pair, and you can see that it's got 3 different kinds of colors going on. So you've got the red at the top, then the black in the center, and then you've kind of got like an animal print right at the bottom. So I think that's quite interesting. I do like the shape of the glasses in itself. It looks very much like, you know, a kind of like a cat eye, and I just think it's quite pretty. So if we're gonna turn it to the back, we can see that it's got this gold detailing over here. Yeah, so it's got like this texture over here, which I think is quite interesting, and you know, a black and then black over here. So yeah, this is, you know, a very, very nice pair as well. Yeah, so you can see that these glasses are just really, really pretty. I love that leopard detail over here. I think it just looks really, really pretty, and it's really nice that there's that red accent over there. I feel it adds so much to the pair, and it's just a really, really nice pair of glasses. And I really think it would look fantastic with red lipstick, obviously. This is the next pair wrapped the same way, and this is essentially what it looks like. So I'm just gonna take that off. Okay, so over here you can see that it's definitely quite unique. It's got, you know, half and half over here, but I think it's quite interesting, and I really like that shape of the glasses. It's also a bit smaller, I think, than, you know, some of the glasses that I've had in the past. So I do think that this is going to look really, really pretty, and I just like that coloring around the glasses over here that you can see, and it follows the same at the back. One of them is colored and one of them is white. I really like the way that it has that design over here, so I really like that. It's definitely like a smaller cat eye, I think, like in comparison to the other frames that I've showed you, but it's still very, very pretty, and it's definitely comfortable. I do feel, you know, that the frame is also thicker than some of the other frames that I like, the other cat eye that I showed you, which is the blue one. These are the final pair of glasses that Zeelool has sent me, and you can see it is so bling. There are like diamonds all over this, so I would not have picked this, mostly because it's just so shiny. I have no idea how this is gonna look on my face. It definitely looks very, very pretty. I can see myself styling this with very, very specific colors and outfits. It's just a very fancy pair, I would say. Right, so this is these are what the glasses look like on my face. As you can see, the frames are quite thick, but it's not tight or anything, and it doesn't cover up my eyebrows fully. I actually think that this is quite pretty, and yeah, it's very comfortable to wear as well. Yeah, you've seen the 6 pairs of glasses. Which one was your favorite? Are you going to be picking up any? If you didn't like any in this video, that's okay, because they have so many to choose from. You can go and check out their website. They do offer prescriptions, and you know, they've got so many types of glasses. I'm putting the link in the description box below, so you should be able to get the link there. And they have very kindly given me a non-affiliate code for anyone who's following me, so I'm putting that on the screen right now. You can get a 10% discount, and that's pretty exciting. So yeah, let me know if you're going to be picking anything up, and I will see you very soon for a brand new video.